Hi everyone, I'm Shaira Roy. Do not forget to watch me in Sophia Anjum's show called S Stories, where I'm talking about my story. Do not forget to subscribe to her channel and also hit the bell icon.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to yet again another edition of the S Stories right here on Sophia Anjum's official YouTube channel. आपको पता है कि जुमे के दिन 7 बजे कोई ना कोई गेस्ट आता है, कोई ना कोई अच्छी बात करते हैं. There's a lot of diversity, a lot of variety and versatility on our episodes. अच्छा, today I'm very excited. This individual is very talented, but अभी थोड़ी देर पहले जब मैं उनसे बात कर रही थी and मैं उनसे पूछ रही थी अच्छा और बताएं मुझे अपने childhood के बारे में and you know your journey into life, and I was just discovering a new thing, you know, after every 1 minute, and I was like, okay, hang on, you know, this really needs to be aired on this episode of the S Story. So ladies and gentlemen, today I shall be introducing a singer, an actor, this woman who has a lot of feathers in her cap, presenting Shaira Roy. Assalamu alaikum, welcome to the show.
Walaikum salam. Such a beautiful introduction, you know. अभी तक इतना अच्छा I've not heard it before.
My pleasure. You know, मैं ये सोच रही थी कि हम जब बातचीत कर रहे थे, मैंने कहा कोई ना कोई एक अदद feather जो है ना कैप के अंदर से नजर आ रहा था. First of all, you look gorgeous and I absolutely love the color.
Thank you so much. It had been styled by one of a very good friend of mine.
Okay.
His name is Asif.
All right.
मैं जो भी पहनती हूँ कोशिश करती हूँ कि थोड़ी ट्रेडिशन उसमें मिक्स करूँ, स्पेशली व्हेन आई एम इन पाकिस्तान.
I agree.
So that's how I'm with this, you know, ये इस तरह के
I know. No, this looks really nice, and especially for the camera, na, this is the kind of color that would stand out.
Right.
अच्छा, for people who are actually wondering कि ये खूबसूरत खातून जो बैठी हुई है, looking really nice in this lovely color, who is she? Well, she's basically, as I mentioned, she's a singer, she's an actor, she's based out of Dubai, but she's been at it for a long time. So Shaira, for people who don't know who you are, tell us about your childhood and how you entered this field of the media.
You know what, when I started off, I was not even sure about it, that I'm going to be getting this chance or like a proper opportunity, but I was in school and I used to participate in different, you know, inter-school competitions and inter-college festivals. And that time I met a singer, a very, very famous Pakistani singer called Anwar Rafi.
Of course.
And he saw me performing on stage and he's like, you know, this person is really good in singing. And I was like, okay, now if you're saying that, you need to teach me.
Right.
So I just grabbed him and I took his number and I was like, you know, you have to be my teacher and you need to teach me. And every time I was just behind his tail.
Yeah.
I was just behind his calls and, you know, bugging him, disturbing him, just please teach me.
I like the honesty right there, huh? Bugging him and disturbing him. Okay.
So I was behind him to get the lessons and finally when I got it, I started off with the classical singing.
Oh, lovely.
And I used to sing all that Rag Bhairavi, Eamon Kalyan.
Seriously? And you had a trainer for that?
Yes.
You just did it on your own?
No, Anwar Saab used to teach me that.
Yeah.
So when I was a very kind of a kiddo person, I think I was around by the age of 15, 16.
Okay.
I used to perform Mehndi Hasan Saab and
That's
Madam
lovely,
Noor
Shaira. Quite heavy though, huh?
Faiz Ahmad Faiz ki nazme and all.
Okay,
so,
mashallah.
Meer Taki Meer, all these, you know, wonderful people who left a beautiful, big objects and projects for us to listen and to learn. So these were some things which I have used to perform in my school. Later on, I've started off in Dubai into marketing field, into films and into radio.
But you knew that this was the media, yeah? The media was the field that you were really into.
I was interested because every time when I used to watch TV, oh my God, kitne अच्छे dresses पहनती हैं, oh my God, how much they look good.
Sweet.
And you know, what would be the glamour, what would be the feedback from the people on outside. So I was very fascinated with all this, you know, glittery world.
Sure.
So I wanted to get into it.
The glamour attracted you.
Yeah.
That's lovely. Acha, mujhe ye bataye now, you know, you told us about your childhood also, that you grew up here, then you went to Dubai, and then all those wonderful opportunities that you got. But I have a pertinent question to ask. Now, we live in a world of diversity and inclusivity. A lot of people are talking about Black Lives Matter. A lot of people are talking about different kind of rights for all sorts of human beings and animals around the world. तो हम एक ऐसी दुनिया में रह रहे हैं जिसमें a lot of people are aware. So you, being a transsexual, how was it embracing what you had to go through? and also dealing with the challenges that it came and how it is right now living in Pakistan?
Well, to be honest, I'm making it very normal. I don't allow people to speak out loud and to poke me, to tease me,
Right.
because I have my self-esteem, and I think every person has that.
Absolutely.
I cannot allow anyone to troll me, or to just simply bully me in front of anyone, or even on the roads, or in cafes, or any places like that. I'm a person who is with gender dysphoric, and in Pakistan we don't have that authority or liberty to speak out loud related to gender disorder. We talk about transgender, we talk about transsexual, but gender disorder people are the people who are born with different gender,
Right.
and their gender is not in the order, they're probably in the middle, or their hormones not complete. So a person like me, I'm a person who is trying my level best to make my gender in order.
Right.
For that we have to go through from medications, hormone treatments, from a bit of surgeries, and I think it shouldn't be something a big deal if you are a person who's suffering from Khuda na Khasta TB, or
Sure.
something relatable, any of the disease.
Sure.
Taking an example of corona, coronavirus. So we do have some vaccines, or some
Yes.
methods, or for some quarantine processing stuff from which we can get rid from such diseases. So similarly, this is a sort of a thing which makes a kind of a disease or a disorderment, from where we have to take it in order, So I think just like any other thing, just like any other medical interruption, we do have that medical liberty from where we can get this thing in order. What I'm going through from this journey.
Right.
Again, the question is living in Pakistan.
That's a bit of a challenge.
It is not a challenge, it's a mess. It's literally a mess, because people here are like pade likhe jahil. They are very educated, but they will not be wanting to marry you. They would not be wanting to date you. They would not be wanting to love you. Instead, they'll be happy to use you. They'll be happy to get work out of you. They'll be happy to meet you, take you a friend, but not publicly. Right. Even though if you're a friend, so it's going to be like, let's not meet in front of my normal friends, because you're not normal, you're abnormal.
So you've actually experienced that.
I did.
In all these years that you've been in Pakistan.
I did. I'm not a person who keep on living in Pakistan. I stayed for like a month and then I leave back to Dubai.
Yeah.
But
अच्छा वहाँ पर आपको लगा है कि थोड़ा सा
नहीं
मुख्तलिफ एक environment है कि वैसा ही है?
No, it's different. I'm telling you, over there people don't bother, their life is so fast, their life is so busy, like there's
nothing matters
nothing to be considered like that. In Pakistan, a lot of people are like so vela, number one.
ठीक है,
बहुत इनके
बड़ा
पास
वैसे important aspect है वाकई.
बहुत टाइम है, फालतू का टाइम. And it's not even about me. Even you're a woman, right? If you'll go on the street, or if you'll go like to shop something out, I'm pretty sure नजरें 10 आपको ऐसे
हाँ,
देख रही होंगी.
बिल्कुल ऐसा ही है.
And this makes you ultimately uncomfortable.
बिल्कुल.
That's why I've decided one thing, that अच्छा शायरा, whenever I need to go out, I need to put my burqa on. और वो होता है ना नकाब वाला burqa. सुकून मिल जाता है उससे.
Because you feel safe. This is sad and okay at the same time, because I have some mixed feelings while listening to you that this should not be the case. While people are still talking about gender rights, they're still talking about things that they believe in on the social media, when it comes to actually articulate their feelings and implement them in real life, तो practicalities भूल जाते हैं.
Right.
और experience जब आप करते हैं ना किसी को face to face, तब
Right.
आपको realize करते हैं यार ये बंदा Facebook के ऊपर तो बड़ा अलग story सुना रहा था, Twitter के ऊपर तो बड़ा active था, मगर real life में तो ये बिल्कुल ही different है.
Yeah.
Anyway, so thank you so much, Shaira, for sharing that with us. I appreciate it, and I'm so proud of you for marking a way and paving the way forward for so many other people like you.
I'm
you
getting
know?
these things, to get to listen that अच्छा तुम्हारे लिए बड़ा मुश्किल होगा,
हाँ.
ये कर लो वो कर लो. मैंने कहा why मुश्किल होगा?
हाँ.
It's very normal. अगर आप सबसे पहले तो this is a very personal thing.
Exactly.
It shouldn't be like a very flaunting topic. I don't understand ये जो हमारे न्यूज़ चैनल्स होते हैं, या sorry to say but they call trans people just to get TRP,
Right.
just to make fun of them. I've been to a show. I would not mention the channel, but I've been to that show, and over there the anchor mocked me, and you know there were some comedians were sitting. It was a funny show, humorous show tha. So they point out this thing, and they started like, you know, they started clapping, and you know how Khwaja Sara people clap and stuff. And I was like looking at them and laughing. I'm like, oh my god, you guys are so disgusting. I'm not even a part of Khwaja Sara system, but still you're like doing it just to run your, you know, episode.
I also feel, Shaira, that there's a lot of lack of awareness also in people. As we mentioned before we started off the show, people don't really know the difference between transsexuals and transgenders to begin with. And then वो holistically generalize करते हैं चीज़ों को.
Exactly.
But having said that, again, thank you for sharing that with me. And now I'd like to focus on something that I'm very excited about. Your upcoming projects, you know, you work with Hrithik Roshan and all these stars, and you know, it's really cool that you've done that. So let's talk about your upcoming projects, your singing career, your acting career. तो क्या आप धमाकेदार शोकेस करने लगे हैं?
ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो मैं यहाँ ज़रूर बताऊंगी, क्योंकि मैं अभी उन्हीं कामों के लिए आई हुई हूँ. आई एम डूइंग अ सॉन्ग विद अ पाकिस्तानी सिंगर. हिज नेम इज़ मोहसिन अब्बास हैदर.
ओके.
And the song name is Kamli.
ठीक है.
And it's going to be a Bollywood number.
Alright.
But it's getting shot in Pakistan itself. और वो एक ऐसा खूबसूरत सूफी गाना है. You will get goosebumps. I'm guaranteeing you.
So
like
hold
that.
on. So it'll be featured in a Bollywood film?
No,
or it's kind of like, it sounds like a Bollywood number.
No, it's going to be out by a Bollywood label.
Okay, so the production is by
the company is Bollywood, and it has been settled by Bollywood, and you know it has been assembled by Bollywood. And जो गाना है ये मेरी करियर का बहुत बड़ा गाना है.
अच्छा.
We are having a short film inside the music video. It's like a short story.
Okay.
And me and Mohsin will be in the song, and then I'm doing a ZTV ka show. I'm going back to Dubai very soon.
Hi, I heard about that, you know, because my team was like coordinating with me. They're like, Shaira madam ने वापस चले जाना है, उससे पहले उनको बुलाना है. like, हाँ ठीक है चलो, अभी बुलाते हैं इनको.
Just like that, हम लोग सारेगामापा देखा करते थे ZTV पे. Just on that format एक show आ रहा है जिसका नाम है Singing Sensation.
Okay.
It's going to be telecasting on ZTV and Z Cinema.
Okay.
And I'm one of the finalists in this.
So all the Pakistani fans really need to support Shaira definitely for that.
Vote.
I know, vote is the name of the game. Acha, in a nutshell, because time is running short also, मुझे बताइए in a nutshell, how is the experience working with all the stars all these years, including Meera ji and Hrithik Roshan and all the other actors?
Well, talking about Pakistani celebrity, first of all, Meera ji, she was a good friend to me, and abhi, because even I'm busy and I don't get to have time for her, and she don't even have time for me. But talking about Aks, which I did with her, a movie which never got released.
The horror film.
Yeah, उसके लिए मैंने 2 गाने भी गाए थे.
अच्छा.
और उसके लिए मैंने 2 गाने लिखे भी थे. और मेरा उसमें एक सपोर्टिंग लीड का कैरेक्टर था. I was playing Sophie in the film.
Ooh,
and then
I like the name, huh?
Yeah,
Sophie. Good name.
Sophie.
Good choice.
So then if we talk about Hrithik Roshan, Mohenjo-daro, I worked with Hrithik, and I was, you know, अब Hrithik आएगा तो कैसा होगा? And he was huge.
I know.
And I was like, oh my god, इतना बड़ा बंदा. So he was there, and I was sitting in one scene. I was just sitting right next to him. It was a jeep scene.
Okay.
Jeep scene में बैठी हुई थी और मैं बिल्कुल साथ ही. And it was a film which was filled with adventure. मोहनजोदारो उसका नाम था.
I remember.
कि सामने से आ रहा है डेजर्ट का तूफान.
ठीक.
And I was telling him, तुम पागल हो, गाड़ी मोड़ो, सामने हम मर जाएंगे सब लोग.
अच्छा.
And he's like, नहीं, डर के आगे जीत है.
डर के आगे जीत है.
So this was one, and then I did film with Shraddha Kapoor, Varun Dhawan, called Street Dancer.
ठीक.
You'll get to see him in the song called Illegal Weapon 2.0.
Okay.
So then Sahu again, प्रभास के साथ जो बाहुबली के एक्टर हैं उनके साथ की. And this was the entire experience.
Okay, lovely. So I think the entertainment is definitely sorted from your end for sure. We're really looking forward to a lot of new projects also. So Shaira, sweetie, thank you so much for joining us. Such a pleasure to have you. A, you look lovely. B, I love the kind of work that you're doing. And C, you are a source of inspiration
for me. I love your earrings, to be honest with you.
Thank you.
I need to borrow it from you.
Yeah, sure, of course, anytime, no problem at all. You can definitely do that. I want you to say a few words two things that I have in mind. Number one, for all the people out there who are struggling with their challenges in their daily life, and I feel that you've been there, done that, you've battled it out, you've faced those challenges that come out stronger in the other end. I want you to give an advice to them.
Sure.
Right? When life is down, when they're feeling down, how do you get up and start going? Second of all, I want you to also talk about what the media portrays and how they should be portraying certain characters in real life as well at the same time through your experience, because you've again experienced that.
Yeah.
Over to you.
Yeah. Talking about the first thing, the challenges I faced in Pakistan. एक वक्त ऐसा भी आया था जब मेरे पास कोई पैसा नहीं था, जगह नहीं थी रहने के लिए. I was literally on road. But the only thing which kept in my mind and head was to not lose my dignity, to not lose my self-esteem, and to, you know, just find a proper and normal way. I could have gone to wrong ways. गलत रास्ते बहुत सारे थे, बहुत ऐसे शॉर्टकट्स थे जिसमें जाकर शायद मुझे काफ़ी कुछ ऐसा मिल जाता, रहने के लिए घर मिल जाता, पैसे मिल जाते, काफ़ी कुछ मिल जाता. लेकिन मैंने उसको नहीं अपनाया क्योंकि मुझे मेरा ज़मीर इजाज़त नहीं देता था उन सब चीज़ों के लिए. आई वर्कड, आई ट्राइड, I waited, I had patience, and you have to be very filled with your self-respect and esteem. You cannot allow anyone to break it for you. Then again, if I talk about the media responsibilities, you guys need to be a little bit educated than before. पहले की बात और थी, अभी आपको इस चीज़ के ऊपर अवेयरनेस डालना बहुत ज़रूरी है that you need to talking about trans people, transgender people, transsexual people, gender dysphoric people, they are normal people. You should not be like अच्छा अब इनका तारुफ भी इस तरह का है. We cannot talk about genders all the time. It should not be कि if we'll talk, अगर मैं example लेती हूँ सोफिया की आपकी example लेती हूँ, so I cannot call her like please put your hands together for Miss Sophie Anjum who belongs from female community. You know, it shouldn't be like that. It should be very normalized first of all, and उसके अलावा हर इंसान की इज़्ज़त करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज इस दुनिया के बाद हमने एक दूसरी दुनिया में भी जाना है, और जब हम उस दुनिया में जाएंगे तो सबका हिसाब होगा. अगर इज़्ज़त नहीं करोगे, गलती से उसके दिल से कोई आपके लिए बद्दुआ खुदा न खास्ता निकल जाए या वो हर्ट हो जाए, तो किसी को हर्ट करना सबसे बड़ा गुनाह है. याद रखिएगा इस बात को और स्टोरीज देखते रहिएगा.
That was beautiful, शायरा. आपने इतनी खूबसूरत तरीके से सब कुछ बयान किया ना, रियली एंजॉयड इट. पर ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि मैं अभी साइन आउट करने लगी हूँ और आप तो सिंगर हैं और आप इतना अच्छा गाते हैं, तो कुछ गुनगुनाना तो आपको पड़ेगा. So how about you sing something, you know, something for the audience that you'd love to listen to? Anything that's popping up right now in your mind. Anything. कुछ भी गा लें.
प्यार की राह में ना 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 जा तुझे माफ किया दिल को तोड़ने वाले, सितम है खुदाया क्यों प्यार बनाया, जो टूटे दिल का जहाँ है गम को रुलाया, है दिल मुस्कुराया कि अपने हैं अनजान.
Beautiful. I loved it. Thank you so much, Shara. Once again, a pleasure.
Thank you so much, Sophie. Sophia. अच्छी मुझे ना वो अपने कैरेक्टर को याद आ जाती है.
It's okay. मुझे Sophie/Sophia कुछ भी पुकार सकती हैं, कोई टेंशन नहीं.
It was lovely coming on your show. And I think मैंने जो बातें आपके शो से कही हैं ये ज़रूर लोगों तक पहुंचनी चाहिए. And I think you're such a personality which is giving me so many positive vibes right now. I feel like, you know, going out and smile. I feel like going out and meet
My
nice
job
people.
is done.
Yes,
definitely.
motive is done.
My job is done today. Thank you so much, Shara. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. ये थोड़ा सा ज़रा हमारा आज extend हो गया था episode. Usually it's about 10 minutes, but I did not want to just stop right there because it was such a nice flow that was going on. I think we learned a lot this episode. I think Shara ने बहुत important aspects के ऊपर touch upon किया था. She talked about the fact that we should learn to be kind. Because we don't know what battles the other person is sort of facing or fighting it out there. We really need to be kind and empathetic, and also we need to normalize a lot of things in our society that we feel कि हाँ हमने specially mention करनी है वो चीज़ें. एक तो ये aspect था. दूसरी बात ये which is very important is that life is 10% of what happens to you, but 90% of how you deal with it. So support each other, learn to respect each other, and Shaira Roy is a name that is definitely going to represent Pakistan in the future. Catch you guys next week. Bye-bye.